Here we are going to see the best quality current affair daily MCQ. And here's the first question is consider the following statement. A first statement telling the Association for Democratic Reform is an electoral watchdog established by the Election Commission of India. No, this is incorrect because Association for Democratic Republic is an electoral watchdog established by a group of professors of the Indian Institute of Management of Ahmedabad, not to the Election Commission of India. So first is incorrect. Second, telling the Supreme Court of India has made it mandatory for political party to publish the detail of criminal cases pending against them candidate, including their website or in a formal prescribed by the Election Commission of India. Yes, very correct statement. Second is correct. First is incorrect. So correct answer is he asking correct. So B is the correct answer. Only two. Next question. Question number two asking that consider the following statement. International Seabed Authority is a United Nations specialized agency that regulate the world oceans floor. International Seabed Authority is the United Nations is not a specialized agency. So this is a statement is incorrect. Second, telling that these deep sea mining involve mining massive seafloor sulfide deposit and stripping cobalt crust from the rock. Yes, very correct statement. Second is correct. And third is asking that currently, country manage their own maritime territory and exclusive economic zone, while the high sea and the international ocean floor are governed by the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. Yes, very correct statement. Third and second is correct, and was first is incorrect. So only two. B is the correct answer. Consider the following statement. Third question asking that consider the following statement. Sorry, Center has asked e-commerce company to not use dark matter on their platform. Which of the following are considered as a dark matter? तो यहाँ पर डार्क मैटर से पूछ रहा है क्वेश्चन कर आई क्रिएटिंग ए सेंस ऑफ अर्जेंसी और स्कासिटी टू प्रेशर कंज्यूमर इनटू मेकिंग ए परचेज यस correct statement. And second, adding additional product or service to the shopping cart without the user consent. Yes, this is also correct. And third is telling that easy to sign up for a service but difficult to quit or cancel. Yes, very correct. And next is telling that advertising a certain product or service but delivering another. Yes, this is also hiding additional costs until consumer are already committed to make a purchase. तो पांचों स्टेटमेंट सही है तो करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट हो जाएगा अपना डी ऑल द फाइव आर करेक्टली करेक्ट. Next question, question number 4 asking that consider the following statement regarding the Great Nicobar Island. ग्रेट निकोबार आइलैंड से दिया हुआ स्टेटमेंट में पहला करा इंदिरा पॉइंट ऑन द साउदर्न टिप ऑफ द ग्रेट निकोबार आइलैंड इज इंडियाज साउदर्न मोस्ट पॉइंट. यस, वेरी करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. Second, telling that Great Nicobar Island has tropical wet evergreen forest, mountain range, and coastal plain. Yes, this is also correct. And third, telling that leatherback sea turtle is the island's flagship species. Yes, very correct statement. तो 1 2 3 तीनों सही है तो अपना हो जाएगा सही आंसर. सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. Next question, question number 5 asking that consider the following statement. First, telling that all life on the earth is carbon based. Yes, very correct statement. Second, telling that organic molecules contain carbon atom that are bounded only to the hydrogen atom. No, only make this statement correct. Nitrogen atom also bounded, oxygen also. So only this make incorrect. So we can second is incorrect, first is correct. Third is the presence of CH3 plus in a space tell us that basic building block for life exists there. Yes, very correct statement. So first and third is correct, second is incorrect. So correct statement is only two, means B is the correct answer. So here I would like to stop it.